Hello everyone. So this company Vont sent me these LED lanterns. Now for 26 bucks you get a 4-pack, and under my video there's a 10% off coupon. Now I don't always accept random little items like this, but I needed some sort of camping lights, some sort of night lights, and the fact that you get 4, it really seemed kind of ideal. I mean, there's not, I guess you can get cheap little flashlights, but 4 lanterns for 26 bucks just seem pretty good. So I got a 4-pack. I've been playing around with 2 of them. One really nice thing is they come with batteries, so if you're literally just getting this to go camping, you're all set and ready to go the minute you get them. You don't have to go to the store and spend a whole bunch more money on batteries. So I've had one of these on for about 2 days without turning it off, and the batteries were still going pretty much fine. After about 12 hours it got a little dimmer, however it still worked pretty good. Now it's not that easy to tell on video how bright they are, but they are quite bright. And you can reduce the brightness by kind of slightly closing it all the way up until it's finally closed. So it has a little handy little metal carrying handles. Overall, obviously you're not really expecting too much because you're getting 4 of these for 26 bucks. Super cheap. Just going to open the other pack to show you how it actually comes. Here we have another one. Pack of batteries, and like I said, I did keep these on for one of these on for 2 full days, and the batteries are still working fine. Actually, after turning it off and then on again, it got brighter again. So clearly the batteries were being a little stressed, and after giving it a little time to cool off and essentially have the light off, once turning it back on, it was bright again. So here's the light. To put the batteries inside, you just unscrew the bottom. Very simple. 3 AA batteries. It's nice there's AA, not AAA, so you get a little more life. And I'm not quite sure, the top part of it here, it also unscrews, and it gives you access to kind of the inside of it. However, it's a nice little kind of storage compartment. So if you're going camping, you could put some matches in here, maybe a compass, something small to bring with you. So if you're walking through the woods and you're carrying this along, you can have something else, maybe something to start a campfire, or for example, if you get lost, hey, you have matches with you, you can make it through the night, won't be frozen. Yeah, this really is a fairly basic review. Simple budget light, but I can't really think of any other place where you get 4 lanterns for $26 plus the 10% off. So if you just need something now, something that the kids can kind of break, something you don't really care that much about because it's so cheap and you have 4 of them. You can have one in the car, one in the boat, one on your front porch, one on the back porch. I really think this is a good buy. And they are quite bright. I'm very satisfied with the brightness. Overall satisfied with the build quality. This thing has already been thrown pretty hard on the pavement and they're still working fine. So yeah, like I said, I do recommend this. There aren't many 4-packs of lights that I know, and these have served me well so far for the last 1.5 weeks. I want to make a quick note on the brightness. This one here on the right is the one that I had on for 2 days straight, so the batteries have not been replaced. The one on the left is the one I just unboxed, so you can clearly tell it's brighter. However, as I said, this has been on for literally 48 hours without powering off, and I think that's absolutely great. Considering you're buying this product, you have everything you need, you have the batteries, and this is how well it held up for 48 hours. And yeah, so you can see this one is a little brighter. And that's it.